Hello and welcome to this Beat Your Competition Online lesson on SEMrush's bulk analysis report. Did you know a small business should be looking at getting 50 quality backlinks to get their SEO campaign off to a good start? The bulk backlink analysis report is a simple and effective tool to use when prospecting link building opportunities. You can enter up to 200 URLs, one per line, into the box at the top of the report, and the table will populate with data about how many backlinks and referring domains point to each URL. Comparing your backlink profile to that of competitors is an important part of your competitive analysis because it can highlight the link building opportunities in your direct niche and give you an idea of how far ahead or behind of your competition you are. A frequently asked question we get is, why should one use the bulk analysis tool instead of the backlink gap tool? While the backlink gap tool works for comparing the scope of 6 domains, this report, the bulk analysis tool, helps you look at a wide scope of up to 200 URLs from various websites. So if you want to compare similar types of content across more than 6 domains, you can do that here. For example, let's say your website sells tennis shoes and you want to publish a tennis shoe buying guide and use it to attract backlinks in your market. You could scour the internet to find dozens of different sports accessory buying guides, and throw the URLs of the other guides into a quick batch tab. Then you could enter their URLs here to get a report of which buying guides on the web acquired the most backlinks and referring domains. Now it's worth noting that the metrics available for each URL in this report include authority score, number of backlinks, number of referring domains, number of follow and no-follow links, number of text, image, form, and frame links, number of governmental, educational, .com, .net, and .org links, and number of referring IPs. In order to see the number of referring IPs and top-level domain backlinks, you will have to expand the info column. So let's see how it works. Once logged in, let's head to the top left of the SEMrush dashboard and click to assure we are in the SEO toolkit. Once there, head to the link building section of the left sidebar where you will find the bulk analysis link, which we will click. At this point, we want to copy and paste up to 200 URLs or domains, one per line, into the query field. After doing this, we can set the results scope, but we will leave it to auto, the default now. Let's click the green Compare button. In our example, only the URL Nike.com reports an authority score. That's because a specific page cannot have an authority score, only a domain. Let us click the backlinks column header to sort in descending order. We see Tennis Warehouse has the most backlinks, sourced from 22 domains. Click Authority Score to sort the domains by authority score, which can help us figure out where to begin our backlinking. Let us click on the backlinks number for the top domain. There we can see all the backlinks that point to our Tennis Warehouse page that reside in the bombstat domain. Close the window to return to the Referring Domains tab. We can now return to the tool by clicking Bulk Analysis in the sidebar again. The last way we'd recommend you use bulk analysis is to see which links are follow and which are no follow. Remember that the no follow links are the ones that do not benefit our SERP ranking. If we click the number of follow domains for this particular URL, we can see the 48 links that increase the SERP score for that URL. If we wanted to compete directly with this URL because it represented some interesting traffic for us, we could try to contact these sources and build links with them. For an easy way to get a big list of link building prospects, be sure to try out the link building tool, which we cover in another video. Thanks for checking out bulk analysis with us. See you in the next video.